sisters I would like to draw today. I also returned to this makeup. I think it's really beautiful. The whole thing is that kind of cat scrap little smoky horse. With this Right Now blush, there is a sense of burnout. Let's try it together. Words before makeup, or use this 345 cream spray. Its spray is still very fine. And then here I'll color it up and down first. This face is still a little dark. Sometimes the nose is lazy and hits blue, but I don't think so. Or do you want a separate green to cover it? The redness of the nose is quite serious. Slowly pat him away with a puff. Does that look big? But he doesn't really feel pink. If you take a picture, it still has a very natural makeup effect. If you finish it now, your face will be much brighter. Let's apply the base makeup again. I want to use this red bullet. Put this foundation on the inside of the power box. This color number, a little wetter than my own. Take a look. Drive him away quickly. I don't feel like this in vain. Ladies, take a look at this base makeup. It's really very white when typed out. It feels like it only needs a small orientation. Come and be considerate. Mainly our face makeup. Bring him here. Take a look. If I brighten it, I will take powder from this end. Then pat it open with the other end. That way it won't be too heavy. This base makeup is still very clean. Then there's our facelift. Because today's makeup is very photogenic, I'm going to pull this nose out. Or use this double-headed facelift. Let's start with this one, a neutral grayish-brown. Let's determine the approximate position of the nostrils first. Nose, let's use precision here. Depict it. The bridge of the nose. A little bit of double C feeling. Get the eye mask again. Cheekbones here. I want to fix the line. Use this matching brush. Up, click, click. Mess it up a little bit. Give him a puff and smudge him again. Face to face. We can use a little more force. The paste is still very moist, so it is easy to faint. It's completely integrated with our base makeup. I think this color is more natural. That kind of shadow will not turn red or gray. It can well depict our hometown. There is also a small picture here. His words are not to brighten up. Pink, orange, brown. You can use it to draw agio saliva. And this lower mole can also be seconds first. Take a look. And then I'm going to use it to paint the human table here. You can shorten the atrium. The whole thing is more kitten-like. Under the lips here, or don't pinch it up and slowly smudge it open. Why don't you put on some blush? And it's also gray pink. Let's use a puff to have a look. He still won't ruin the base makeup. You can use it with confidence and boldness. Shop here. I didn't pay much attention to the technique. It's the side of the face. Our cheekbone strap should not be shiny. And this is where we can go a little bit deeper. Because his blush range is still quite high at the moment. The big one? So the bridge of the nose here, we also have a little bit. Then you can set the makeup partially. Use the CT piece, this is very beautiful. There is also a special beauty in it. You use this little brush to decide. Then the eyebrows here. I'll go with the dark brown for the eyebrows. Are his eyebrows actually orange? But my hair is darker, so we changed it a little bit. If you use the eyebrow shape, it is still flat and thrown away. I use a gray-brown machete eyebrow pencil. Fill in the vacancy in this eyebrow shape. It It doesn't mean how strong the hairy flu is. I used a pink-brown eyebrow dye every day. For the eye makeup part, use this light one first. Color gives the eyelids a base. Then we use this gray-pink one. Fix this color. Double eyelid shop. This color block can be slightly larger, because today, this eye makeup also magnifies the eyes. So is the back. Take a look. The head must be traced here. Let's choose this color to smudge it. Leopard print is our double eyelid folds. Simple smudge like this. Just see medium gray blue. Then I will continue to look for the eyelashes first. For eyelashes, I pasted these two together. Take a look, I think there are still better people. Then we fill in the eyeliner for him. From the upper end of the eye here and then draw directly. Dark eyeliner. And then fill in the gap on it. Use this detail. So simple. After painting, let's deal with the eyeshadow part. It feels a little red. Let's trace it first with this red glue pen. Then use a clean little brush. The child smudges it. Let's brush this lower eyelash line. I don't like to stick this lower eyelash very much recently. Usually brushed. Black liquid pen, trace the inside line for it. The middle of my eyelids. We can use a light gray. Embellish. Let me show you this eye makeup. Very large eyes. I quickly did an eye makeup painting here. You can order your makeup now. I feel like he's also a little bit bang. The effect in the surface is the same as the pressure. Highlight the T area here, including the entire bridge of the nose. Nose repair. Let me emphasize it a little bit. Use this white one for a while. It's not that deep, you see. People are very bright about this. The whole forehead is glossy. Just wipe your face with highlights. My lip shape. Flirt. I think my mouth is a little too full. Then I want to use this soft color. Now the eyelashes are bottomed. Let's try this one for MAC. And I'll use that color for my gills. The whole makeup looks like this. Then go get your hair done.